Okay, back with my Arrows Viper EDF. Having a ball today, maiden day. Just made some more mechanical trim adjustments. Everything's set back to zero again. Throws are at 70%, and I'm using a 1300 mAh 50C 3-cell battery for this one. It's a little bit lighter than the other ones, but it'll handle it no worries. This makes it about 485, 490 grams now. A little bit of wind. So far, everything's been going beautiful. Launching with safe mode on, full throttle, and here we go. Beautiful. He's off. A few spots of rain on the field. Don't like that. Wow, she's motoring along. Beautiful. That looks brilliant. Now with these trims set, this is even better. Pull it round hard. Yes, that is brilliant. It looks so good. Listen to that. I don't know whether you can hear it or not. I don't want to get too close to the ground because that bit of turbulence there. A few spots of rain I can feel on my face, but not going to take away the excitement of flying this thing. It's just locked in. Only takes a couple of flights to get the trim set. Look at that. It's almost hands off. Ah, beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Oh, that rain, I can feel it coming. I want to cut this flight short. Yep, I'm feeling it now. Oh, bugger. Okay. Gotta get around for some landing prep. Feel the throttle there. Gliding in fast, but into the wind now. Slow it up a bit. Slow it up a bit. Almost catch that. Oh no! Ah, hit a bit of grass. But she's safe. Let's get out of this rain.